my fellow food lovers, welcome back again. In today's video, I went all the way down to Ekiti and stopped over at Ondo to bring you this delicious vegetable and mushroom soup. This vegetable I prepared today is not vegetable you can get everywhere. It is only around places where there are cocoa or under cocoa tree. It's such a very rare and beautiful vegetable that you will love to taste. So just stay with me and let's cook this delicious dish together. So this is our vegetable worowo, then the mushroom, some cow meat, then the prawns, fresh peppers, and of course seasoning, locust beans and onions. So into a pot, boil your already washed meat and cook it for about 30 minutes. So first we just have to prepare our mushroom by carefully using the knife to scrape out the stem. As you can see me doing, cut out the down part that contains as many sands as possible. Then the upper part of it, try to open it because this mushroom easily gets infested by maggots, those tiny maggots. Okay, so if you find out that the mushroom is getting rotten, do not even try to use because you will not like the outcome. Another tip too, when buying this mushroom, try to get those smaller ones. Don't buy the bigger ones because those bigger ones get rotten on time. Okay, so after cutting and prepare dressing, then pour your mushroom into a bowl, add some salt and add enough water, cover for about 30 minutes. This will help to kill any maggots, any impurity in the mushroom. Set the prepared mushroom aside and let's prepare a vegetable. This vegetable is called worowo in Yoruba land. It's commonly eaten among the Ekitis and Ondo people. So this vegetable commonly grow under cocoa tree or places close to cocoa. You can't just find it everywhere. So it is very delicious. It contains a lot of vitamin, minerals, protein. This vegetable has a lot of nutritional and health benefits. So after about 30 minutes, bring out your mushroom for washing. Okay, so while washing, let me tell you the health benefit of mushrooms. They are very rich in nutrients. Mushrooms are a good source of vitamins, potassium, copper and magnesium. They are low in calories but nutrient dense, making them a great addition to any healthy diet. They help to boost immune system. They also have antioxidant property that helps to protect the body. So it helps to support healthy blood sugar level, especially for those people that are diabetic. Support digestive health. It also helps in weight management due to their low calories and high fiber content. Mushroom can help with weight management by promoting feeling full on time while providing essential nutrients. So a pot, pour some red palm oil, then add your blended pepper. Mind you, I did not use any tomatoes in this preparation of this. I want to go on natural. Okay, so just add your blended pepper, which is a mixture of onions and pepper blended, then pour into the pot of oil on fire. Please do not bleach your hair. Just put the oil and let it just fry for about few seconds. Then open up, add your washed prawns, which has been carefully dressed. So add your locust beans at this point and let everything just marinate together. Add your meat stock or whatever you just have at home. Then add your protein. For this I used some meat and cow skin. Add your seasoning cubes at this point. So after everything is fresh fried, you can see the water has greatly reduced. Pour in your washed vegetable. I only wash it, mind you, I did not steam for any second. No. You will lose the whole nutrient because this vegetable doesn't need that much. So in order to retain the vitamins and minerals in it, do not even try to steam. Then after adding the vegetable, add the washed mushrooms to the soup and stir again. This soup is a combination of all, like it's a balanced diet on its own. So our soup is almost ready. At this point, you can just taste for salt, seasoning. If there's any adjustment, just do it. But for this cooking, I do not add any salt because the salt and seasoning was just perfect. And food is ready. This soup goes well with pounded yam, fufu, eba, semo, name it. It even goes well with rice and plantain, whatever you can just imagine. So guys, thank you as always for always watching my video. If you are new here, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification and I don't get to miss any video, because as I did so I will drop video for you people. The maximum enjoyment back to back every week. So to subscribe, I don't take your love for granted. I really appreciate you. And next weekend I release another beautiful and interesting video. Thank you and bye.